Hi guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. I'm a little bit full of baked goods from the holiday season, so I have a non-baking related short video for you. I just got an awesome package in the mail from Pinch Me. Pinch Me is a box of goodies that you can get delivered to your door that doesn't cost anything. They send you samples of items for free and only ask that you give them feedback on the products. The first Tuesday of every month is called Sample Tuesday, and that's when you can go online and select your goodies. We're going to do an unboxing of my first Pinch Me box to see what I received. So let's get to some unboxing. Look how cute that is. Oh my god. They have like polka dots. Oh my god. Welcome, we're so thrilled to have you on board. Hashtag Happy Pincher. All we ask is for our members' honest feedback. Oh my god, they came through. Skittles Sweet Heat. I'm pretty sure these are hot Skittles. An 1850 filter coffee. Ooh. Protects and cushions blisters. And this looks something. Bad Bomb Skin Moisturizer.
I had so much fun unboxing my first Pinch Me box. There were beauty products, food items, and so many cool samples for me to try.
So these are all the fun items I got in my first Pinch Me sample box. I'm going to be reviewing them, giving some feedback, and letting Pinch Me know whether or not I liked them.
And after I unboxed, I got to open everything up and test out all of the products.
I'm just watching TV at night, and I think I'm going to finish off my Flamin' Hot, what are they called? Spicy Skittles.
I have a unique referral code that I've linked down below. Thank you to Pinch Me for working with me on this video, and I hope you guys all check out their website. It's always fun to get snail mail and treats in the mail, and Pinch Me is absolutely 100% free. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Genius Making.